In the heart of stars, where the fire burns bright, tiny atoms dancing in the dark of night. Hydrogen whispers, helium glows, building up the universe as it grows. From dust to dreams, from small to bold, a cosmic story waiting to be told.